Detroit is a major metropolis in the US state of Michigan that has had a significant global impact. Detroit has shaped both American and global history, from the invention of the assembly line to the Motown sound, modern techno and rock music. Many of the city's historic buildings have been restored, and the city is buzzing with new projects and attractions that complement its world-class museums and theaters. After a long economic slump and decrease in population, Detroit has developed a reputation for crime and urban decline, but revitalization means that it is an exciting destination filled with technological advance and historic charm. Downtown Detroit is unique, an international riverfront, ornate buildings, sculptures, fountains, the nation's second largest theater district, and one of the nation's largest collection of pre-Depression era skyscrapers. Two major traffic circles along Woodward Avenue surround Campus Martius Park and Grand Circus Park, both gathering points. The city has ample parking, much of it in garages. Many historic buildings have been converted into loft apartments, and new businesses have opened in the central business district. Downtown Detroit features the Renaissance Center, including the tallest hotel in the Western Hemisphere, the Detroit Marriott. Many restaurants emanate from the Renaissance Center, Greektown, the Arts and Theater District, and Stadium area. Joining the eastern riverfront parks, the city has 982-acre Belle Isle Park, with the large James Scott Memorial Fountain, historic conservatory, gardens, Dustin Great Lakes Museum, and spectacular views of the city skyline. Visitors may reserve a public dock downtown at the Tricentennial State Park and Harbor. Great Lakes cruises are also available. Detroit has a rich architectural heritage, such as the restored historic Weston Book Cadillac Hotel, the Guardian and Fisher buildings with exquisitely ornate interiors and exteriors, the Detroit Institute of Art's top 5 museums in the country. In 2005, Detroit's architecture was heralded as some of America's finest. Many of the city's architecturally significant buildings are listed by the National Trust for Historic Preservation as among America's most endangered landmarks. Detroit is the largest city in the US to offer casino resorts. The three major casino resorts are MGM Grand Detroit, Greektown, and Motor City. A fourth major casino is just across the river in Windsor, Canada. Detroit Metro Airport is one of the few to offer world-class hotel and meeting facilities inside the terminal. The Renaissance Center and the Southfield Town Center are among the nation's finest mixed-use facilities for large conferences. Downtown Detroit serves as the cultural and entertainment hub of the metropolitan region, Windsor, Ontario, and even for Toledo, Ohio residents, many of whom work in metropolitan Detroit. While most of the region's attractions are in the city of Detroit, tourists will find that nearly all of the shopping malls are in the suburbs, such as Troy, Dearborn, Novi, and Clinton Township. The Detroit-Windsor metro area population totals about 5.9 million. Few locations better reflect Detroit's new face than the Riverwalk. This ongoing project has been improving downtown Detroit's riverfront for many years and is a stunning place to visit. Simply walking or renting a bike to enjoy the scenery as you pass through various parks and pavilions is an option. The Avenue of Fashion is a must-see. Before malls sprouted up in every US city, Livernois Avenue was the place to shop and be seen. Baker's Keyboard Lounge, the world's oldest jazz club, and Joe's Gallery, one of the city's oldest and most prominent art galleries, have been on the street for decades. Campus Martius Park is a 2.5-acre public square in the center of the city that transforms into a sandy beach in the summer and an ice rink in the winter. Throughout the year there is a free entertainment and it is a popular meeting spot for both residents and tourists. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.